Alright, so this is going to be unpackaging and first impressions of this Pear Serum from the brand I'm from, a Korean brand. So the packaging comes in a really natural carton, and the product is made from Korea. This is a 50 milliliter product, and the main ingredient is wild pear leaves, and that is 83% wild pear leaf extract as the main ingredient, and those ingredients are from native Korea, and it's supposed to be moisturizing and calming for the skin, as it says here. And it's got a little bit of like a leaf graphic embossing. It looks like a really nice premium. Not the high premium, but like a eco-friendly premium. And it's got some like geographic information about where the product is from, the raw ingredient is from, and it's natural texture, honest farm, and open composition. Not really sure what that means, but it's a really eco-friendly brand. I've tried their rice water and it's very absolutely moisturizing. So this one, packaging, it's a glass packaging, nothing out of the ordinary here. It is definitely obviously more environmentally friendly than plastic, but heavier as well. It looks good. So this is the pump. It's a pump bottle, and I've already done one layer here as to kind of get my first impression before the camera, but I will show you the product again. So this is just one pump. It's quite a generous amount, and as you can see, it's very watery and spreads very easily, very slippery. Yeah, and that's probably a bit too much product just for the back of my hand, so I'm gonna spread it to the rest of my fingers. It just feels very watery. It's still, product is still there and it hasn't really absorbed yet. So the main ingredient is the 83% of the wild pear leaf extract. The second ingredient is glycerin, which is known for moisturizing effects. And it's also got hyaluronic acid as one of their base. And this is a vegan product. So for those who care about that, this would be good for you. And it's very lightweight. It's supposed to reduce irritation and calm your skin and help with the moisture barrier on the skin. So yeah, now it's dried down. It's definitely absorbed, and it just feels very dewy and looks very dewy. And I will be using this on my face for a period of time and continue this video after. But here are my first impressions. Really good, lightweight, good good base for your other serums and other creams. Be good for the season, as I'm looking for that extra little bit of hydration for my routine. So yeah, can't go wrong with this. Just gonna put some of this on. See, it's very viscous. It's very light.